out here in Long Beach. Gonna pick up this A7S, this white one right here. Let's get it loaded. All right, loaded right here in Long Beach. Had to take down this Maserati for like the 5th time to get these cars on. But it just depends on your load, size of your vehicle, where you're dropping, where you're picking up, how many times you have to do things. These cars, I have to move them again here a little bit because I have to put the bigger cars to the front because of my weight. So let's get rolling. Right out here in San Gabriel, I had to add a little of the G-Wagon up there on the incline. Then I got that Audi. I put this one here in the back for now because I'm going to move it again. I got to move this Golf here a little bit. So let's get to Riverside. Let's get going. Loaded up in Victorville. Picked up this Golf right here. It's all beat up. Anyway, now I have to head back to Riverside. Pick up 2 cars that I have at the auction. And then I'm completely loaded and ready to go. Let's roll. Look at all these transporters here. And this place gets packed. Look at that. I'm all the way over there at the end. Alright, out here at Manheim, Riverside. See the cars. I got the G-Wagon Mercedes. I got the Audi S7, a Maserati. I got a Golf on the back on top, a Golf on the back on the bottom. I got this Lexus right here and this BMW X4 all loaded up. Let's get going to Denver. Let's roll.
Looking back on the memory of the dance we shared beneath the stars above. For a moment all the world was right, and how could I have known that you'd ever say goodbye? And now I'm glad I didn't know the way it all would end, the way it all would go. Our lives are better left to chance. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the dance. Holding you, I held everything. For a moment, wasn't I the king? But if I'd only known how the king would fall, hey, who's to say? You know I might have changed it all. And now I'm glad I didn't know the way it
Stayed last night here at the Flying J in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Up this morning, let's get this day started. Let's roll. First drop right here in Albuquerque, New Mexico at this Volkswagen dealership. Just dropped off that turd of a car, the Golf. Anyway, let's go to second drop, Lexus. Alright, second drop getting done out here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Dropping that Lexus. It's a lease return. The Lexus is right over there. Really no parking around the drop, so we'll get the car delivered and go pick up 2 cars at Manheim. Just got here to Manheim, Albuquerque. Never been here before. There's really no transporter's lot, just big dirt lots that are in front of the building. So just right by the road, park right here. Load up. All right, I had to go to the office and get 2 of my gate releases printed. I already had them emailed to me, but my printer broke in the truck, so I had to come and get them at the office here. But a tip: don't ever just rely on the guard shack having your gate release, because they'll say they're at the guard shack. You get here, you only need 1 car. It's night and no gate release. Always try to get them emailed to you so you can print them. Also, when you're checking out these cars, you always want to write the vehicle condition on the gate releases. And then when you're done, take a picture of that gate release, and you obviously leave it here. That way it protects you and protects the dealer. You don't want to just do it on your BOL. On your BOL, at least all I write is just vehicle condition on gate release, and I always take pictures, take plenty of pictures. Both the cars that I picked up at Manheim, this Forester and now white CRV. Look at the white CRV right here, the Forester on the end. It took me a while to find that CRV. It's hiding. It took me about half an hour. Anyway, let's get this car loaded and let's get rolling. Back home, I was gonna try to deliver some cars today, but it's snowing. Forget that, I'll just do it all on Monday. Alright, up here in Denver, about to start doing all of our drops on this snowy day. Hopefully the rest of the roads are pretty clear. Let's get going. Alright, at our first delivery, still snowy, gotta get out still there. We're gonna slide, let's get this. This is in BMW, gotta move these two cars. Get it down this road. Alright, getting to our second delivery of the day, right there. Alright, got the second load down. It's right there. Snowy day today. We deliver right there across the street. Let's get this car delivered.
Freak out! That freak says chic. Freak out! Have you heard about the new dance craze? Listen to us. I'm sure you'll be amazed.
Third delivery done. There they go with the car. Right here in the residential area. Let's get all the ramps put back and get going. I think we'll be clear that way. Alright, fourth delivery. I'm going to deliver that Maserati right over there to this small dealership right here. It's completely dirty. Let's get it delivered. Colorado, gotta deliver right over there. Nowhere to park, so I'm gonna park here. Let's get rolling. Right, Hyatt House, gonna take it, deliver right over there. Alright, out here in Longmont, Colorado. Man, it's cold. Streets are all still full of snow. Had to deliver to this place. I didn't even know it was a dealership. And we got one more to drop, that's that G-Wagon on top. We're done. Alright, let's roll out. One more car to deliver and then we're done.
Turn left on.
For today.
Road 3, 1, exit to
Alright, the last drop of the night, dropping this G-Wagon right here at Luxury Auto Catch. Let's get unloaded because it is getting cold. Alright, G-Ride delivered over here at Luxury Auto Sales on Broadway in Littleton or Inglewood. Anyway, end of trip 6. Stay tuned for trip 7.